These marketing tips can help you grow on social media and help you build a brand. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. Number one, quality over quantity. Businesses are producing a huge amount of content, and for you to get attention in a very noisy and crowded marketplace, you need to stand out. So publish only the best content you can create. Many of us don't have time to create content, and when we do, it needs to be our best work. It is far better to produce one highly researched and well-written piece of content per month than posting more low-quality articles or pieces of content. Number two, all content is strategic. Given that most of us don't have time to write just because we love it, we have to take an approach that all content needs to be strategic. We need to research the important search terms that we want to gain high rankings for and plan content accordingly. That also goes for YouTube too. Run an SEO report on your website to see how well your website ranks for your top keywords. If there are important keywords where you aren't ranking in the top 10, create content around those keywords. And look for questions people ask when they search. Those questions make a great topic for a piece of content. Number three, create a content plan and calendar. You'll be far more successful with creating a content marketing strategy if you create a simple plan and a content calendar. Your content calendar can be simple and contain a list of topics and dates to publish, or it can provide monthly themes, topics, and what type of media you plan to use. Number four, mix up your media and vary your content types. If you like to write, cool, create a blog post with great visuals and share them to all your social media platforms. Many small business owners would rather not write, so record your thoughts and have a writer use the audio to create a post, or you can create videos or podcasts. The episodes don't need to be long, just make them educational. And when you create a great piece of content, don't forget to repurpose it into different content types and share on different platforms. A variety of content delivered on different media types keep people interested in what you have to say. By choosing the right piece of content for the problem you are helping to solve, you will connect with people who need what you have to offer. Number five, tell stories. People love stories. The way you tell them can affect people differently depending on their situation. Stories can make an emotional connection, build trust, or provide a motivation to do something. Talk about why you chose a certain situation and how you help resolve their customer's issue. Number six, include a call to action. People need to be encouraged to take action. A call to action is an active copy that invokes an immediate response. If you are inviting them to something, it could be to watch a video, sign up for your email list, or learn more about your services, or download a piece of content. Number seven, don't forget about email. It's not all about social media. Build an email list and regularly share content with your subscribers. A quality email list enables you to reach interested subscribers on your terms. If they have joined your mailing list, this audience is already more interested in your business than those who are going to see your social media posts. Create a customer email list and share content that will help them. Don't let your customers forget about you. Sending them regular newsletters with helpful tips and special offers will help your business stay visible. And depending on your business, these offers will encourage customers to purchase more. Number eight, pay attention to visuals and formatting. If you are writing content, visuals and formatting are important to readability. A wall of text and small font is not inviting. People want to scan through your content quickly to see if they're interested in what you have to offer. You have to remember, people are visual creatures. Images, graphics, and videos can break up the text to make it easier for people to consume. Number nine, promote your content. If you write a great blog post but nobody sees it, what's the point? Put all your valuable content on your website, then promote and share it so that it gets the attention it deserves. Share your content on the right social media channels for your business, including Google My Business, and don't forget to email your content to your subscribers. Last but not least, number 10, get help. Be realistic about how much time you can spend on content marketing based on your resources. If creating content isn't your strength, consider outsourcing to someone who can produce the content and distribute it for you. Oversee this process so what is being created is aligned with your visions and your beliefs. You can also find a marketing agency that specializes in inbound marketing, helping you incorporate content marketing in with search and social media. I'm Everyday Jay, and that's marketing news you can use. Peace.